Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Talk Academy.
Hi, friends. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma. Thank you for listening today.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, today we will learn English while talking about school and studies.
School, classes, teachers, homework. We use these words every day.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. This podcast is easy English.
We will speak slowly, we will repeat words, and we will practice together.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's start. Okay, Emma, let me ask you a question.
Okay, Emma, go ahead.
Do you like school?
Yes and no. I like learning, but homework is hard.
I understand. Let's start with a simple question. Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Good. Let's repeat together. I go to school. Great. Now, another question. What do you study?
I study English.
Very good. You can also say, I study math. I study science. I study history.
School has many subjects.
English, math, science, history, geography,
Let's repeat together. English,
math,
science,
history.
geography.
Very nice.
Emma, what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Good. I go to school at 8:30.
Let's practice time sentences. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 9 o'clock.
Now, let's talk about teachers.
Yes, a teacher is a person who teaches students.
Repeat after me. Teacher,
Students. Let's practice important words together. School, class, teacher, student, homework, exam.
again, slowly. School, class, teacher, student, homework, exam.
School, class, teacher, student, homework, exam. Great job!
Listen and repeat. I am a student. I go to school every day. I have homework. I like my teacher.
One more time. I am a student. I go to school every day. I have homework. I like my teacher. Now, let's hear a short story.
Yes, this is a story about our friend Tom.
Tom is a student.
He goes to school every day.
Tom wakes up at 7 o'clock. Vocabulary. Wake up equals open your eyes in the morning.
Tom eats breakfast.
Then he goes to school.
At school, Tom has English class.
He likes English, but he does not like exams.
After school, Tom does his homework. Vocabulary. Homework equals work you do at home for school.
In the evening, Tom relaxes and sleeps.
Tom is tired but happy.
Now, let's do a short question and answer.
Emma, ask me questions like a teacher.
Okay, Emma. Ben, are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like homework?
Sometimes.
Good answer. Now, let's review today's lesson. Vocabulary review. School, class, teacher, student, homework, exam.
And subjects: English, math, science.
Now, sentences. I go to school every day. I am a student. I study English. I have homework. Excellent work. Thank you so much for listening today.
You did a great job practicing English.
If you like this podcast,
Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below.
your support helps us make more easy English podcasts.
Now, our question of the day:
What do you study at school? English? Math? Science?
write your answer in the comments.
We are happy to read your answers.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.